We have a very normal practice that we admit the patients early morning to our hospital. They are fully worked up, so we will prefer to do them as the first cases in the morning before we take up other cases except for hernias in the same OT. So we take a lot of precautions. All these instruments are ETO'd, and that is what takes time. So you have to understand the anesthesia part is different and the surgical part is different. Giving an anesthesia and coming out of anesthesia might take half an hour each, and the surgery per se can take up to 40 minutes if we are doing a unilateral repair, and about an hour if we are doing both the sides. So that is a bilateral repair for a groin hernia. And ventral hernia would depend upon how much intestines are stuck to the abdominal wall. So releasing them and reducing the contents, whatsoever time it takes is taken, and about 15 to 20 minutes it takes to fix the mesh to the abdominal wall. The total procedure roughly, I think, will be about 1 hour, but no surgeon will operate the patient by the clock. So it is very subjective. It is the safety of the patient which is paramount. Patients are normally discharged almost on the same day, or at times they stay overnight because they have a catheter in situ which is removed early morning and then they are discharged. Most of the patients will start moving, that means they are ambulatory, after about a couple of hours of surgery, and they can have a normal diet at night. So it's a very, very patient friendly surgery. Groin hernias are not painful, but ventral hernias are a little painful. The stay is longer in ventral hernias and shorter in inguinal hernias.